Hey, so we're back in Auckland. We are all the way out here in rural Whitford, where we've got a brilliant home renovation going on. We have just finished the plasterboard, the jib work, and right now we're moving on to painting.
The project as a whole is all about transforming a 9-bedroom home into a 6-bedroom one. This includes assimilating the 2 bedrooms on either side of the living room to make a single large space. Not only that, but we also brought down some of the walls connecting to the kitchen and dining area, merging it all into a nice open floor plan. Elsewhere, 2 other bedrooms are being merged into a family room, and the walk-in wardrobe is being transformed into a bedroom. Today, we also tidied up some of the rooms by removing a few light fixtures. We also had a few construction team meetings, discussed the kitchen placement, and prepared for our current painting phase. With plans to transform this once rustic retreat into a modern and spacious family home, we chose a soft white color for the walls. This is expected to pair pretty perfectly with the new kitchen and the expanded living space. Also significant to this project is the brand new skylight, which is expected to complete the new living space. For a room as big as this one, bathing in natural light sounds like the perfect pairing. And after this, we have plans for the rest of the interior, including the kitchen, bathrooms, the ensuite, and all of the extra little finishing touches that you expect to see in a modern family home.
The next stage, we are going to be doing a little bit of flooring, which work is being prepared for already. As well, we've already done a lot of the windows, the doors, and after that, we're going to be doing a lot of interior work. Our interior design team has cooked up a beautiful idea for the lovely kitchen that we're going to install. And that is going to be perfect for this absolutely gorgeous landscape we have all around us.
As mentioned last time, we finished the timber trims as well. We can look at the skirtings here. This has been reused. It was earlier here. We took them out and we reinstalled. We salvage them very precisely, very carefully, so that we can reuse again. You can see all over the place. Approximately we use around 50-meter length of the timber skirting here.
We've got a great view of the farm animals from up here. And what else? We've also finished the insulation recently, which is why we've had the plasterboard done after that, as you can see. We showed that in our previous video. As well, we completed a lot of the work in and around the skylight that we're preparing. You get a lot of planes in this area. It's an absolutely charming day to be taking a stroll, rooftop-wise, all the way out here in beautiful rural Whitford. With all the insulation in, the jib laid, we're painting over it to give it a nice good finish. After that, we got a bunch of other work to do.
After this, I took some time to meet with our project manager, who I had a few questions for.
So, how does this rural location make construction work different?
Different as in, I'll say a little tough, because you have to travel a lot, 1 hour just for the traveling to come here, and accessibility is really hard for particularly this house. So that's the toughest part when we have a delivery, and if I have to call someone on site just for small work, it's way too far. That's the only problem, otherwise it's really nice.
Has anything gone easier or harder than expected?
Few things easier, few things harder. Harder things are we already calculated that risk, so the harder part is just harder, but other parts getting easier, it's good for me.
So of course water is the most important drink, but what else do you enjoy drinking as part of your job?
I know why you asked that question well, but yeah, we drink energy drinks. Blue color we, and we have I just invented a new one. This is Monster energy drink. It's really nice. But yeah, it's not a part of our job, but we need that because it's always sunny. We have a dehydration, and then to rehydrate, we use that thing. Yeah.
What would you suppose is surprisingly stressful that you find in New Zealand that you probably wouldn't find in other countries?
Inflation. It's really hard to cope up with the pricing. Since I work in pack and sell also, I see every day the price changing of the grocery. That's really hard to cope up with. Yeah. So yeah, I'll say inflation is a surprisingly stressful
So, any new countries you'd like to visit?
country. Since I love one Indian movie, so I'll go to Spain definitely. But another thing is, most of my friends are in USA, America, so I would like to go USA just to meet them.
So, on a site like this, what kind of activities are affected when it's raining?
When it's raining, usually it rains hard actually here in this particular race. So like this, we are on the roof now. We have a skylight over there. We have to install that. So I book my subcontractors as in roofing guy, ceiling guy, and the builder as well just to install that. But that day it was raining, so everyone has to go back. All the external works like the cladding for the house, skylight on the roof, roofing gutter work is also affected because of the raining. So external works always get affected because of raining because it rains really hard than what we have in city. I don't know why, but yeah, that's what my observation is.
Are they leaving me behind?